Hello friend, this is from conveyor machinery technology company in China. Here it is a new finished 500 liters model horizontal bin mixer for brew client. For this mixer, it is used to mix the powder material, refractory, clay, powder, and some small granules into the refractory matter. Let's take around to see it. This is electricity cabinet, and we use the Schneider brand as the main components. And this is the mixer itself. We can see that for the material contact part, we make stainless steel, and we are polish for the material contact part. We use the Chinese famous brand motor, 19 brand, and the hot tooth phase reducer to support the strong power. And this one is a small hopper. And below is a liquid pump, because we equipped a liquid spraying system for this mixer. And also, this is a material discharging port with a manual valve. We equip it on the one side of the mixer as a requirement. This is the back view. This is the spring part of the spring system. Also, we equipped the material feeding screw for the mixer, and also we use a 19 brand motor. Screw hopper. This is the back view. Now the mixer has been connected with electricity power. We make a simple test for it. Let's focus on the panel. This is the inverter panel, voltage meter, ammeter, emergency stop button. The buttons, motor start, off for the main motor, speed up and down. This is for the liquid pump, start and close. This is for the screw feeder, start and close. Okay, first we test the mixing function of the mixer. Release the emergency stop button and start the motor. We can control the speed while here. After I remove my finger, the shaft rotating speed will be displayed on the inverter panel. Now I will open the top lid. This is a protection net. Protection net for the convenience of the material feeding or check and the safety consideration. You can see the liquid spring pad, two heads for the liquid spraying. Okay, no problem. And then we test the max speed. Here it is, 46. This is the max speed. No problem. Speed. Okay, for this mixer, for the protection net, we equipped the sensors on the back side. Sensors. Once the protection net removed, and the mixer will stop accordingly. Let's make a test. Now I made a test for the safety protection system. Remove the protection net and the mixer stopped. This is for safety consideration. Okay, so this is a simple test for the mixer itself. And then we test the liquid pump. Okay. Okay, no problem. I have heard the voice of the vacuum pump with no liquid. We just run it. Start, close, no problem. And then for the screw feeder, start it. Now it works. Normally, no problem. Then I stop it. So this is a simple test for the basic function of the new finished 500 liters model horizontal ribbon mixer for Pro client for the refractory material mixing. If you have any interest for this kind of mixer, please don't hesitate to contact for more information. This is from Conveyor Machinery Technology Company in China. Thanks for watching.